few moments later.
Aloha, good morning. Are you about to try the bestest of the bestest? Baked taro, halusami, rice. Can't forget the pancake, yeah? Ooh!
I also got myself this mango drink.
I want to try this first, I'm sorry. It smells so good.
Is this like a bread dessert?
Yes, it's like, it's kind of similar to those balls on the stick a little bit, but it's made out of banana.
Ooh. This is like rice ball. It's not like super sweet. Okay, I'll save that for later.
I can't recall the last time I had these either. Holy shit.
Alrighty. Look at that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Taro, Carlo, this is what you plant in the lo'i. If you know, you know. Because like it's coconut cream, onion, and I don't know.
It's like 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is like a mango. I forgot what that was. It just looks good though. Wow. Look at that.
Whoa!
Whoa, that is crazy. So we're at this bakery called Aurora Bakery, and they're known for that mango pastry, and it's delicious. And now we try the angel cake. Cheers. It's giving like cheesecake. Yum. Oh, there's strawberry in the middle. Get that little the strawberry right there.
Oops. Whoa! Now we're going to Japantown in the shop.
Japantown? Going to this Japanese store called JapanLA. We just took a photo with Gloomy.
That's so awesome.
I just met Gloomy. Came back to Aurora because he wanted a lemon.
She wanted a lemon.
Right. You take first bite. This is yours. This is all you. Whoa, that's super lemony in there. Yeah? Wanna try it?
Whoa.
Whoa. That's kind of fire. I mean, I like that texture.
Yeah.
Icy.
Yeah.
We did try the lemon, the mango, and that cake, the angel cake, which was pretty good.
I understand if we get that one just to see.
Maybe next time.
Because like you never know until you try it. You feel me? Even the lavender cake. But I don't want to fall asleep just yet. The day just started.
Yeah, that was our breakfast pretty much. All that dessert.
Moments later.
Got myself a Shirley Temple. You're back. Get away.
Flip it, flip it, flip it.
The following day.
Hello, back again.
Good morning.
With another bakery, Tucha. Better get some more fruit pastries and see if we like this one or Aurora better.
It's like a mailbox. Whoa. I think this is like a lemon cookie.
This is giving egg. This white part right here reminds me of egg whites. And then this is like egg yolk, but it tastes like a lemon. Ooh, it's the peach.
That reminds me of her butt at the beach.
Bruh.
So that's the inside.
That one doesn't really have like bursting flavor at all, but it does taste good.
I like there's little peach pieces.
Oh, little peachy.
But I feel like the fruit, like jelly itself, isn't super peachy. Ooh. Holy shit. They put chocolate in this? Has some crazy flavor though.
Yeah. So is chocolate in there or no?
Yeah, they did add chocolate. But this part right here, the mango part, is fucking fire.
Like a champagne mango. Yeah, but the chocolate just...
Yeah, I don't like that. This is our last one. It's a blackberry one. Cute.
alright. Interesting.
Wow, that's super tart. Ugh.
What, you don't like
That's tart as fuck. I don't know, the smell is like throwing me off too.
it? Yeah? What about the smell?
I don't know, it smells weird to me.
Thank you, Tucha, for everything. That was amazing. Aurora, thank you as well. That was also amazing. The thought directs too. Can't compare either or. They bring their own flair and taste to the table when it comes to these elegant treats. Now, we're about to go have some lunch. Get some Okinawan style Supamu musubi. Cheers!
This is yours.
That was mine. Thank you. Thank you.
This is mine. I got the California. Cheers. It's delicious. I got the California. Has an imitation crab, an egg, turkey spam, and avocado, and unagi sauce. Alrighty. Now I get to drive back home, see my doggo, see my family, and get back to the regular scheduled program. Well, this video consisted of just a lot of eating and random shit. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.